Morning, sir. My name is Miss Harshila Jawahar Srivastav, roll number 151. I'm learning in LLB third year. Today, my seminar topic is Law of Evidence Case Study. Law of Evidence. Introduction. The evidence law is concerned as the law of forum which guides and helps the court to reach the conclusion while dealing with a particular case, not to be confused as proof. A piece of evidence leads the court to either prove or disprove something. The Indian Evidence Act 1872 is an adjective law that lays down provision to be followed by the Indian court while accepting and determining the admissibility of evidence presented before it. The underlying principle that sets the evidence law in motion was observed in case of Ramjas versus Surendranath 1980, where it was held that the law of evidence is the law that does not affect the substantive rights of the parties, instead works towards felicitating justice to the same. The article provides a list of precedents judgment that serve as a source of interpretation of the Act of 1872 by the Indian court that can help in better understanding of the concept of evidence law. Landmark judgment surrounding the Indian Evidence Act 1872. A list of case laws has been discussed hereunder that helps in understanding certain provision of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 that hold immense importance. Landmark judgment surrounding the Indian Evidence Act 1872. A list of case laws has been discussed hereunder that helps in understanding certain provisions of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 that holds immense importance. This case is about R.M. Malkani versus State of Maharashtra 1973. The facts were, in this case, the prosecution case was based solely on the tape recorded conversation, which clearly proved the appellant intention to obtain a bribe. The appellant contention was that such conversation cannot be admitted under the provision of Indian Evidence Act 1872. Moreover, as it was unlawful. The issues were whether tape recorded conversation is admissible as evidence in the court of law, even if it is obtained through unlawful means. So the observation was Supreme Court, and he gave the decision that tape recorded conversation is admissible in evidence provided the conversation is relevant to the matter in issue. The voice can be properly identified and the possibility of erasing part of the tape is eliminated. Since tape recording is like a photograph of relevant incident, it is admissible under Section 7 of Indian Evidence Act 1872. Such recording is also a document under Section 3 of Indian Evidence Act 1872. The recording is also admissible under Section 8, 9, 10 or 11 of Indian Evidence Act 1872. As to evidentiary value, the court had said that such evidence must be received with caution. Thus, tape recording must be genuine and free from tampering or mutilation. The court should be otherwise satisfied of its accuracy. Even if the tape recording is obtained unlawfully, it will be admissible in evidence as detection by deception is a form of police procedure. So here my PPT is finished. Thank you.